Hello everyone, this is Fawad. Welcome to Future on Cloud. In this video, I am going to show you how you can integrate your Manage Engine Service Desk with Azure Active Directory using SAML authentication. So on my left hand side, I have logged in with my Manage Engine Service Desk Plus, and on the right hand side, this is the configuration guide which I am going to use in order to do the integration. So let's get started. First of all, I need to log in on Azure AD, which I am already logged in. So now I need to search for enterprise application, then all applications. So enterprise application, as you can see, it is listing here and it take me to the all applications. After that, we need to click on new application and search for Zoho. So this is the new application and create your own application. And here you need to search Zoho. So once you find this yellow icon Zoho, click on it and it will take you to this page, which I already configured, right? So after that, you need to click on single sign on, this one. And now we need to provide the parameters for basic SAML configuration. The first one is these are mandatory URLs, identity, reply URL, and single sign on. These two are optional. So right now we are just going with mandatory. So Zoho.com is the mandatory one. And these are the samples which we can use in this configuration. Identifier is Zoho.com, which comes up by default. You just need to take care about the reply URL. Like this is our reply URL. You just need to copy paste it at this point. And this area you need to take it. This is our organization ID, which you can take from your Manage Engine portal. So let me show you from where you can get it. Just log in on Manage Engine Service Desk Plus, click on these icon and click on ESM directory. In ESM directory, you need to click on organization detail, and this is your organization ID, which you need to provide here, which you need to replace with these words, right? So after that, our single sign-on URL, you just need to copy paste it up till this point. And here again, you need to provide your organization ID. Then you need to replace it with the service URL. And our service URL is up to this point. This is our service URL, right? So if you are using cloud version and this service URL is something different, and first of all you need to customize it based on your organization detail. And if you want to customize it, you can click on ESM portal, and here are the steps which you can use in order to customize it. For that, you need to create your CNAME bracket on your control panel where you have host your domain. And once all these steps are done, then this URL will be available for you, right? So you need to customize it first if it is not already customized. Then once it is done, then you need to copy paste that URL here. As you can see, I have already configured it. So this is the service ID, organization ID, and this is my service URL. I replace this service URL with this one, and the organization ID I have replaced with this ID. So once it is done, just close it, scroll down, and you need to download this base 64 certificate. So this one is completely optional. So you just need to download this base 64 certificate. Once you click on download, As you can see here, I have already downloaded this service certificate and which you need to import in your Manage Engine Service Desk. So this is the location where you need to import it as I have already configured, but let me show you edit this configuration. And here you need to import your certificate. The next one is the login URL and logout URL. These are the login and logout URL which you need to copy from this area. Setup Zoho, just copy this URL from login and you can paste it here. Likewise, you can copy your logout URL from here and you can paste it here. So once it is done, then you need to assign users, which user can log in on this application by using Active Directory credentials. For that, you need to again go to your portal, Azure portal, click on Zoho, then users and groups. So here you need to specify your user detail, like this is my user. I have already defined here. And once it is done, you can import these users from this Active Directory, from this users list. You just need to click on import user from AD and all users will reflect here. So in order to test single sign-on working or not, what you can do is just click on it. So just click here, test single sign-on and test sign-on. Once you click test sign-on, it will take you to the portal where you can log in. As you can see here, it automatically redirect me to the managing and service desk because I am already logged in with my same user. If you're logged in with a different user, it will ask for the credential first. So let me try with Internet Explorer. Let me copy this URL first. Mhm. Account activation. Just copy that URL and paste here. So it take me to the Microsoft portal. So once I provide my credentials, let me allow this user because I'm using Microsoft Authenticator. It is approved now. Sign in verification failed. Uh, I know why it is happening. The reason behind is I have already configured my user with trial version. So that is the reason my user was not reflecting here. Let me show you in the users list. As you can see here, it is not showing here. If you look at the invite users, so my user is still there. So for that, I have requested to manage engine guys to remove my user from the trial subscription, because earlier I have purchased a trial account and I did not remove my user from there, and then later on we have purchased the subscription, so my user is still reflecting over there. So once they remove my user over there, then I should be able to log in, and it should start reflecting here, right? So this is how you can integrate your service desk portal. I hope this video is informative for you. Thanks for watching.